How to change a song in highlight on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can change a song in highlights on Instagram. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's begin. First step, locate your Instagram app and then open it up. After you open up your Instagram app, you can head over to your profile at the bottom right, and there you will find your highlights. So if you open up a highlight, you will see the song that is playing on it. Now, the thing here is you cannot actually just change a highlight song. What you'll have to do is post another story with the same photo and with a different music. So for that, let's head over to the home page by tapping on the home button at the bottom right. Then you can swipe right, take a picture. After you pick the same picture or create the same story again, tap on the music icon on the top right. Then select a new song for your story. After you select it, tap on the arrow on the bottom right. Then tap on Done. After it resembles your previous story, you can then add it on your story. After you add it on your story, you can simply hide it. So wait till it gets posted. After the same story gets posted, you can simply remove it. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right, and you can tap it on the archive button. But before that, you can also add it to the highlight. So tap on highlight. After you tap on highlight, select the highlight that you want to add it to. Then after it gets added to the highlight, you can tap on the three dots again at the bottom right of your story and archive it. After that, it will no longer be at your story and it will just go and stay on your highlights. So there you can see, this is the old one and this is the new one. You can then delete the old one. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Tap on remove from highlight. Tap on remove video. And there we go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.